Good morning! Ah! Baby ni Mama. So cute. I love you. I love you sa baby na ako. Cute! Ay, cute sa akong baby. Wala og kakak. Uy. Wala og kakak ang baby ni Mama. Baby ni Mama. Na mula og kakak. Uy. Mula og kakak. Suot na. Wala ko ng imong mata. Oh. Sinibi ako, Mamang. Dumatis kang noisy ka. Ah. Parang nga ni Mamang. Ay, that's my life now. I want to go somewhere to my friend, but I cannot go. So, I want to go Philippines. I'm tired here in Saudi. So tired. All in house only. Not go in the house of friend. Not allowed. Bismillah. So it's better I go in the Philippines, because in the Philippines I can go anywhere I want. No one tell me don't go there, Kida, don't go. No. But my problem is in the Philippines is too much expensive, the rice. And you know the Philippines is rice is like morning, afternoon, evening, rice. And the 1 kilo of rice is 65 pesos. 1 kilo. What if the family in morning mag-cook og 2 kilos rice? So your 1,000 is just 1 week. Mapi is 1 week ang 1,000 sa rice. So what I'm gonna do? And in the Philippines I have baby 3 pieces, and I don't have house, so I stay to my father. So I cannot save there, because because in the Philippines it is what is your food is also food of your family in the house. So you need to buy. All people can eat. Hindi ko kabalo mag-English ba? Talaga. So ang akong problema is akong problema. Kailangan na pod ko mo. And I want also go in the Philippines because my kids don't have birth certificate until now. And now not allowed now only parents allowed to make birth certificate. So I need to go in the Philippines because my first kid is she going to grade 6 and she graduating for elementary. So I need to get a birth certificate before she graduate of elementary. So maybe I go in the Philippines. Maybe next year 2025, maybe I go in the Philippines to fix birth certificate, and after that I don't know where I go. Maybe I come back to abroad because I don't have house. I want house. I don't know, my life is too much. I don't know now my life. And these people, he goes sa Afghanistan. He not stay with me. He goes sa Afghanistan. And may I go in the Philippines and if I finish to prepare birth certificate of my baby, maybe I go abroad again. Maybe I apply in Turkey because Fijiala big salary there. Yeah. So like that. Because my baby is going to high school, so I need to earn, save money for them because I want them to finish study in college, so they can apply good work. So yeah, that's my plan. I don't have plan to dower a boyfriend. I don't have plan to find boyfriend. I want to focus my obligation to my daughter, to my kids, so they can. I want work so I have money. Not allowed boyfriend because boyfriend is just a problem of life. Hmm? Like that. So yeah, I settle my mind. I don't need boyfriend. Okay? I don't need boyfriend. Just I need work, money, and if I want baby, I will make my baby. But I don't want boyfriend. I don't want husband. Kida, I'm crazy. Huh? I just want baby. I don't want husband. Kida, yala bye. Crazy. I'm crazy. Bye.